Have you ever wondered why gut health is such a hot topic these days? Well, the truth is, our gut plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, and the foods we eat can have a significant impact on the health of our gut microbiome. In this video, we'll explore some of the best foods to nourish your gut and keep your microbiome thriving. Let's start with fermented foods, which are a powerhouse for gut health. Fermentation is a process that involves beneficial bacteria breaking down sugars and starches, resulting in foods that are rich in probiotics. Some excellent fermented food options include 1. Yogurt. Look for varieties with live and active cultures. 2. Kefir, a tangy, probiotic-rich drink made from fermented milk. 3. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, rich in beneficial bacteria. 4. Kimchi, a spicy, fermented Korean dish made with cabbage and other vegetables. 5. Kombucha, a fermented tea drink packed with probiotics. Fermented foods introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut, which can help maintain a healthy balance of gut microbes and support digestion. High-fiber foods. Fiber is another essential component for a healthy gut. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting their growth. Aim to include a variety of high-fiber foods in your diet, such as 1. Fruits. Berries, apples, pears, and avocados are excellent sources of fiber. 2. Vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and artichokes are fiber-rich options. 3. Whole grains. Choose whole grain bread, pasta, quinoa, and oats. 4. Legumes. Lentils, beans, and peas are packed with fiber. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are fiber-rich snacks. Adequate fiber intake not only supports gut health but also promotes regular bowel movements and may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols are plant compounds that have been shown to have a positive effect on gut health. They act as antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the gut. Some excellent sources of polyphenols include 1. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are loaded with polyphenols. 2. Green tea, rich in polyphenols called catechins, which may support gut health. 3. Dark chocolate. Choose varieties with a high cocoa content for maximum polyphenol benefits. 4. Olive oil, a good source of polyphenols and healthy fats. 5. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, pecans, and walnuts are rich in polyphenols. Incorporating polyphenol-rich foods into your diet can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and reduce inflammation. Gut-friendly lifestyle tips. In addition to incorporating gut-friendly foods into your diet, there are several lifestyle habits that can support a healthy gut. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to aid digestion and support gut health. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your gut microbiome. 2. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. 3. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health, including gut health. 4. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can promote a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. 5. Limit processed foods. Highly processed foods often lack fiber and beneficial nutrients for gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and the foods you eat play a significant role. By incorporating fermented foods, high-fiber foods, and polyphenol-rich foods into your diet, along with adopting a gut-friendly lifestyle, you can nourish your gut microbiome and promote better digestion, immune function, and overall health. Remember, a diverse and balanced diet is key to supporting your gut health. So, start incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your meals and snacks today.